Okay, so for today's lesson, we'll be looking at the interval notation. So the things that we'll look at in this video will be open interval, half open interval, and half closed interval, and the closed interval. So these are the main things that we'll be looking at, and also we'll look into some question based on this topic. So first of all, we need to know what is the open interval. So open interval, when you talk about the open interval, we meant two sides like A, comma B, like this. So this means that A is not included, then B is also not also what? Included. So if they ask you to write this in set beta notation, you can say that X such that X is a member of real numbers, like that, right? A is less than X, and X is less than what? B. So if you look, you shall see that A is not included and B is not included. We could have said that A is included if we have equal to. Now here, there is no less than or equal to. So meaning that it's just less than, meaning that A is not what? Included. So I can say that A, it is open. So if they ask you to write the same one on the number line, it will be like this. So if this is A and this is B, meaning this side it will be open like that, and this side again it will be what? Open like that. Then you draw a line between. So this is what we call the what? Open interval. Then we have what we call half closed interval. So half closed interval, this means that one part is closed. So meaning that you have open this side, and that side, which is this side, it's what? Closed. So when it's closed, we put a square. This is the square that you're seeing here. This shows that it's what? Closed. So say in set beta notation, it will be X is such that X is the member of the real numbers. Then A is not included. Then B is included, like that. So this is what we call the half closed interval. Remember that this is the first one, open interval, and half closed what? Interval, like that. So now if they ask you to write this one on the number line, it will be A this side, then B, like that. Now where is it closed? To B it's closed. If you see, if it was like that, it means it's open, but it's like this, meaning it's what? Closed to B. So since to B it's closed, what you do is you put a full dot. Then this side you say what? Like that. So this is how you what? You write this one. Okay. Now let's also look at the other one, which is there we're looking at the half closed. Now let's look at closed half what? Interval. So closed number 3, closed half interval. So this means that this side it's closed where there's A, then this side to where there's B, it's open like that. This is a closed half what? Interval. So if they ask you to write this in set builder notation, you say X is such that X is a member of real numbers. A is less than or equal to X, and X is less than equal is just less than to B, like that. But if you have been told to represent this one on the number line, that's when now things what change. You will have something like this. This is your A and this is your B. So for you to write it on the number line, is A included? Yes, A is included. So what you do, you put a full dot like that. Then this side is B included, not included. So it is open. So you do that. This is how we what? You do it. Then let's also look at the other one, which is known as closed interval. So closed interval, both of them, they are what? Included. So A and B, they're included here. That's what it means. A and what? B are included. So if A and B are included, for you to write this on the number line, you say X is such that X is the member of the real numbers. A is less than or equal to X, and X is less than or equal to what? B. On the number line, it will look like this is A and this is B. So on the number line, the way it will look like full dot, again full dot this side, like this. So this is the closed interval. Now let's look at some questions, how the questions they can ask us. The first question, which is here, write the following as intervals. So write the following as what? Intervals. I've said X is such that X is a member of the real numbers. -3 is less than X, and X is less than or equal to 8. So if you have something that is like this, right? If I may ask, is -3 included? No, is not included, because there is no equal here. If we had equal, that's when you can say 3 is what? Included. How about 8? 8 is included. So for you to write the interval, it will be like open this side. You have seen what I've done here, like that. Open -3, 8. 8 is included, so we have to put like that. That's what we call the first interval. Then the second interval, they are saying X is such that X is a member of real numbers. Then -3 is less than X, and X is less than 8. So in this situation, what we have, both of them are not included. If both of them are not included, meaning that they are what? Open. So since they are open, meaning to what? Open this side, -3, 8, closed. So you have open and open. How about the other one? X is such that X is a member of the real numbers. Then -3 is less than or equal to X, and X is less than 8. 3 is included, meaning that it will be closed. You put a square. 3 closed, 8. 8 is not closed, so you put like that. That's what it means there. Then the last one, if you check on the last one, it says X is such that X is the member of the real numbers. -3 is less than or equal to X, and X is less than or equal to 8. So what you mean here, it will be -3 included and 8 included. So if I want to display this on the number line, it will be -3 and 8. This side it will be open like that, and this side it will be what? Closed. How about this one? You also do the same thing. This side is what? All of them, they are open. So since all of them they are open, you do open like that. That's what it means. Then this one, what does it mean? Let's display this again on the number line. So this is -3 and this is what? 8. So this side it's closed and this side is what? Open. How about this one? Still the same. This side is 3 and this side is what? 0. So here both of them are included, so meaning that you need to put full dots like that. So that's how we can represent this on the what? Number line. Okay. Now let's also look at these ones. So if you look at these ones that say write the following intervals in set builder form and display them on the number line. So what are they looking for? They're asking us to write this in set builder form, right? So if you look at -3 and 10, they are both not included. So for you to write this on the set builder, you say x is such that x is a member of what? Real numbers, like that, right? Then what are they trying to say? They're saying that -3 is less than x and x is less than what? 10. Then closed. Let's display this on the number line, meaning this is -3 and this is what? 10. So it will be open like that. It will also be what? Open like that. That's what you write. Then this side, -3 is included, comma 10 which is not included. So for this to be on the set builder to be x is such that x is the member of the real numbers. Then -3 is included like that. Then x. Then 10 is not included. So to be just be x is less than what? 10. For you to display this on the number line, you say -3, then what? 10. So where there is 3, it's included. So you put a full dot and this side open like that. Then the other one, you say x, -3 there, right, is not included, but 10 is included. So you say in the set builder, say x is such that x is a member of real numbers. Then -3 is less than x. Then x is less than or equal to what? 10. Now, which part is included? It's 10. So you put this side as included. Like that. And let's display the other one on set builder. So to be x is such that x is the member of real numbers. Then -3 is included. So you just say less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 10 on the number line. -3 there, then 10. So it will be full dot this side and full dot this side. Then this. Okay. So that's how you write that one. Then let's go to the another question now. So question 11, it says let a equal to -1, which is included, and 8, -1 which is not included, and 8 is included. On b is equal to -3, which is included, 6 is not included. Then c is equal to -2, which is not included. Then 4 is what? Not included again. The universal set is what? X equal to -4 and 10. Then find each of the following set and display it on the what? Number line. So let's start with the first one. With the first one, which is what? The first one is what? A complement. Now, we can't know a complement if we don't know the limits of a. So let's know a. What is a? A, -1 is not included. Then 8 is what? Included. So for you to display this on the number line, you do this. What is the universal set? Universal set is starting from -4 and it's ending at what? To 10, right? Now let's draw a complement. So a complement in this situation, it will be -1 here to what? To 8. So in A, 8 is included, so it will be a full dot. In A, -1 is included, is not included, so it won't be what? A full dot. But this side it will be what? A full dot. Now this is your what? Your A. Now let's look at the B complement, or let's look at A complement now. So if -1 was included in A, meaning was not included in A, meaning that -1 will be included in A what? Complement. So you put there included here. Why I'm putting included? Because -1 was not included in A, but it will be included in A what? Complement. So this is what you do. So meaning that this part here, it is the A complement, and this part here, it is the what? Oh, sorry for that. I think there I've made a mistake. So as I was saying, now 8 is included in what? In A, meaning that it won't be included in what? A complement. So it won't be included 8. So this is your what? A complement. Now let us look at the A complement. So A complement will be, we'll start from -4, right? So -4, is it included in A complement? Yes, it's included. So you have to say square and 4. How about -1? Is it included in A complement? Yes, it's included. 1 there. Then union. Why I'm putting union? Because I'm having two things. This is A complement inside. Now, is it 8 included in A complement? No. So you say 8 like that. Then 10 is included. So this is your what? Your answer for A complement. That's how we answer that one. Okay. Now let's answer the other one, which is B complement union C complement, right? So let's first know what is our B. So what is our B? -3 is included, 6 is not included. Then C is -2 not included, and 4 not included, right? So now let's write the number line. Okay, now on the number line, remember the universal set is from -4 to what? To 10, right? Now let's write B. What is B? B, it is -3 to what? To 6, right? So 3 is included in B, but 6 is not included. So this is what? B. Now, B complement. B complement. 3 is not included. 3 is included in what? B, meaning that it won't be included in what? In B complement. 6 is not included in B, meaning it will be included in what? 6 in B complement. So this is the B complement. This is the B complement. Okay. Now let's also look at C. C, it's from negative what? 2 to 4. So both of them, they're not what? Included. Like that. These are not included. This is C. So meaning that C complement, -2, it will be included in what? C complement. Now we have, the question is B complement union C complement. So let's check out where C complement and B complement are starting. So C and B complement are starting from here, and where is C complement ending? It's ending here, right? So meaning that B complement is within C complement, and C complement is starting from here again, this side. B is here, meaning again B complement is within what? C complement. Now here they've put union, meaning that you have to put them what? Together. Now C complement starting and B complement is starting from what? They're starting from -4. So -4 included 4 there, right? Comma, -2 in C complement is included. Union. Then on C complement again, 4 is what? Included. So to be 4 there. Comma, 10. Just like that. So these are the what? The answers that we are looking for. Okay. Let's also solve the other one. Now let's look at this one. A intersection B minus C. So this means that it is A intersection there, right? B intersection C complement. That's what it means, right? Okay. Now let's draw it on the number line. -4, then 10, right? Now we have A. Let's draw A. A is what? It's in -1 to what? To 8. So on A, 8 is included. This side is not what? Included. like that. That is what? Our A. Okay. Now, how about our B? Let's go to B. How about our B? Our B, -3, is included. Then 6 is not what? Is not included. And 6 is not included. So you put that. That is what? B. Now let's draw C. C, it's negative what? -2 and what? 4. So that is C. So C, -2 is not included, and 4 again is not what? Included. Like that, right? That is C. Now C complement. C complement, meaning if -2 is not included in C, meaning -2 will be included in what? In C complement. So this is C complement. -4 is not included in C, meaning that it will be included in what? In C complement. Now, here, if you check, they're just intersecting. All of them, they're just about intersection. So if all of them are about intersection, we check out where A, B, and C complement, they are meeting. So if you check out, this is from this side, from this angle. If you check this side, do we have C complement and B and A meeting together? No, because C complement is meeting B, but C complement is not meeting what? A. So this side, no, right? How about this side? Where there is a C complement, it is here, where there is what? 4, right? If you check properly, this is the point where, this is the point which is here, right? So this is the point which is here, which is here. This is the point where C complement B and A, they are meeting. This is the only point that both of them are what? Meeting. This is the only point, like that. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be A, then B intersection, C complement. It will be, the only answer is this one. So on C complement, we have 4, which is included. Then here where the 6, B is not including 6. So it will be 6, like that, not included. Just like this. So this is your what? Your answer. Simple, straightforward. Okay. Now let's do the last one. Okay. Now, on the last one, we have X minus C, then complement intersection, then A minus B, like that, right? So let's simplify this. X minus C, this is intersection, then complement outside. A intersection what? B complement. So you have X, when you expand that one, it will be X what? Complement union, complement. A intersection B. So what is X complement? That's an empty set. C, it will be just BC. Then this side with A intersection what? B. So empty set union C. The answer is what? C. Intersection A intersection A, then intersection what? B complement. There's a complement. Sorry for that. There's a complement there, like that. So what are we looking for? We need to draw this C intersection A intersection B complement. This is the one which we're looking to draw. So now let's draw this one. Let's draw this one. How do you draw this one now? Right? You go to your number line at -4 to 10. Then from there now, what you do is this. If you shall see that on the C, what is C? C, it's from what? -2 to what? To 4. That is C. Both of them, they are not included, so that is C. Then A is negative what? -1 to what? To 8. -1 to 8. Which one is included? -1 is not included, but 8 is what? Included, like that. So this is A. Now B complement, it will be, let's draw B. So B, it will be here, 3 here, 3 to what? To 6, right? So B, 6 is not included, but 3 is included. Like that, right? Now B complement, if -6, if 6 is not part of B, meaning that 6 will be part of what? 6 will be part of B complement, like that, up to this side, that is B complement. -3 is not, is part of B, but on B complement don't be part of it. So this will be this part, that is B complement. Now if you look at this side, you shall see that there is no any point which is meeting both of them, like C, A, and B complement, because this is B complement. Yes, this is B complement. This is B. So B complement starting from here going like this. Then A, it start from what? Start from 4 going like that, right? So the points at which all of the three they are meeting, it is which point? So if I check properly, we shall see that on B it's starting at what? Here 6 on the B complement, right? B complement starting from 6 to what? To 10. So this is the starting point for, let me just draw it with another one. This is the starting point of what? B. How about C? This is the starting point. So meaning the only part which these are meeting, this is the only part, because they are intersection. So meaning that C intersection A intersection what? B complement. The only part that is intersecting is what? If you check, this 6 is included in what? In B complement. So it will be 6. Then if you check again, 4 is part of C, right? So it is also not included. So you put what? 4, they are not included. That is the what? The answer. So that is how we answer that question. Make sure you like, you subscribe to the channel. and share